All, welcome to my channel. I got you all today a very healthy salad recipe. Now, let's look at the ingredients we would need to prepare this salad. Without further ado, let's get started. Begin by taking a shallow bowl with half cup of roasted gram in it. Now goes all the dry ingredients like chopped onion, diced tomatoes, cucumber chopped into cubes, some green chilies, 1/4 of a lime squeezed. At this point, add some salt. Some black salt is optional, but it definitely increases the taste. Mix it well. And it's ready. Yes, it is that easy. Do try and let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such easy and healthy recipes. Bye bye.